Nice, soon, SO2000, garage door operator, wiring a receiver with a relay output to the control card. Note that this makes use of a positive trigger when using a receiver when it pertains to the wiring. We are making use of our single channel rolling code receiver. First off, ensure that there is a link between positive of the receiver and common. Thereafter, connect, normally open, to one of the SBS inputs on the control card, or it would be PP. From there, you will connect from the positive of your receiver to the second input of SBS or PP. Lastly, the negative from the receiver will go into one of the stop inputs on the control card. To indicate that the receiver is active, I'm going to program in a transmitter. Receiver working successfully.